In this video, we're diving into zero-based budgeting. Let's get started. Have you ever wondered why your paycheck seems to disappear before the month ends, or why your savings goals remain just that, goals? The answer might not lie in earning more, but in managing what you already have. Enter zero-based budgeting, a game-changing financial strategy that assigns every single dollar a job. Whether you're a student juggling loans, a professional striving for savings, or a retiree looking to stretch your funds, this method can transform your financial life. Stick around to discover how it works, why it's so effective, and how you can start using it today. What is zero-based budgeting? Zero-based budgeting, ZBB, is a proactive and intentional way to manage your money. Unlike traditional budgeting, where you might base this month's plan on last month's spending, ZBB starts from scratch every time. The concept is simple. You allocate every dollar of your income to specific categories: bills, groceries, savings, investments, or even entertainment, until your income minus expenses equals zero. But don't worry, zero doesn't mean broke. It means every dollar is accounted for and working for you. Example to illustrate, let's say Jane earns $4,000 a month. With ZBB, she would assign, for instance, $1,200 to rent, $500 to groceries, $300 to utilities, $200 to a travel fund, $1,000 to debt repayment, $800 to savings and investments. By the end, every dollar has a job, and none are left sitting idle. This approach forces Jane to be mindful of where her money is going and to prioritize her financial goals. Why does zero-based budgeting work? ZBB is powerful because it makes you the CEO of your finances. Here's why it works so well. Accountability. When every dollar is assigned, it's harder to waste money. You're consciously choosing how to spend or save. Clarity. ZBB gives you a clear picture of your financial health. There's no guesswork about whether you can afford something. You already know. Flexibility. Life happens, and so does unexpected spending. With ZBB, you can reassign dollars in real time without derailing your overall plan. Psychological benefits. This approach reduces financial anxiety. Knowing exactly where your money is going gives you a sense of control and purpose. A fun fact: studies show that people who use zero-based budgeting are more likely to meet their savings goals because they prioritize those goals from the start. Who can benefit from zero-based budgeting? Students, perfect for those managing tight budgets and loans. Young professionals, helps you save for milestones like a first home or an emergency fund. Families, ensures household expenses are covered while saving for future needs like college or retirement. Retirees, useful for stretching fixed incomes and maintaining a comfortable lifestyle. Even high-income earners benefit because ZBB helps identify areas of unnecessary spending and maximizes investments. How to implement zero-based budgeting. Let's break it down into actionable steps. 1. List your income. Calculate your total income for the month. Include salaries, side hustles, and passive income streams. 2. Track expenses. Look at past spending to identify fixed and variable expenses. 3. Assign every dollar. Prioritize essentials first, like housing, utilities, and groceries, then move to savings, investments, and non-essentials like entertainment. 4. Adjust as needed. Life is unpredictable. If an unexpected expense arises, shift money from a less critical category to cover it. 5. Review monthly. At the end of each month, assess what worked and adjust for the next cycle. Example: Mark, a software engineer, earns $6,000 per month. Using ZBB, he allocates $1,500 for rent, $800 for groceries, $600 for savings, $1,000 for student loan repayment, $300 for a vacation fund, $1,800 for other categories. When his car unexpectedly needs repairs costing $500, he reallocates funds from his vacation budget. No panic, no debt, just smart planning. Common mistakes to avoid not tracking expenses. Accurately, guesswork can derail your budget. Use apps or spreadsheets to stay precise. Overcomplicating categories. stick to major categories to avoid overwhelm. Skipping the review process. Monthly reviews are essential to improving your budgeting skills. Ignoring fun, budgeting isn't about deprivation. Set aside money for entertainment or hobbies to stay motivated. The psychology of zero-based budgeting. Why does this method feel so empowering? It taps into behavioral economics. Loss aversion. By assigning every dollar, you're less likely to waste it as you feel a loss when reallocating from another goal. Sense of achievement. Hitting zero gives you a dopamine boost, a reward for sticking to your plan. Intentionality. This method aligns spending with your values, fostering a healthier relationship with money. Advanced tips for zero-based budgeting use. Tools. Budgeting apps simplify the process by tracking your spending and providing real-time insights. Incorporate sinking funds. Save for irregular expenses like holidays or insurance premiums by setting aside a small amount monthly. Combine with the envelope system. Physically or digitally, allocate cash into envelopes for each category. Once the envelope is empty, no more spending in that category. Reward yourself. Celebrate milestones like paying off debt or reaching a savings target. Conclusion: zero-based budgeting isn't just about numbers, it's about reclaiming control and living intentionally. Imagine your money working harder for you, not the other way around. Whether you're saving for a dream vacation or simply trying to make ends meet, this method can help you achieve your goals with clarity and confidence. And remember, budgeting doesn't mean saying no to life's pleasures. It means saying yes to what truly matters. As they say, a budget is telling your money where to go instead of wondering where it went. So why not give ZBB a try? After all, isn't it time your dollars worked as hard as you do? Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more life-changing financial hacks.